I have some pearls I want to divorce, so I want to turn them into a purse. To start making the bag, so the fish line should not be too long, because if it's too long it's going to be stressful. So what's going to happen is I'll start with putting 4 beads. This is the 4 beads. I want to make equal the length of the fish line, so it's equal now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this fish line, use one end of the fish line to, I'm going to pass into the first bead. And tie it. This is the first stage. The very first stage. Let me repeat another step again. I'll put 2. Two here. 2 beads on one side, then 1 on another side, then cross it. I've done another row. I'll continue on and on till I get my desired length. Then when I'm turning, I will show you how I turn. See what we have. Making progress. Pass the wire to the next bead. Bring it out. Put 2 beads here. Put 2 beads on the left. Then cross it. This is for the front side of the purse. I want to do the other side so that the bead will not get exhausted before I make the other side. So if it's remaining, I'm going to add to it. But if it's not remaining, I know I have a balance already. So I'm going to complete this row, then do the other side before I join the 2 sides together. I've made the front and the back. So what is just left is for me to join it. Join the 2 together. Join it by the sides. Then make a hand. Remember that to complete the front and the back, I had to pass the fish line into the beads, and so that it will be firm enough, and I tied it at the point where the 2 fishing lines met. So I'm going to be joining these 2 pieces together. So what I'm doing here is I'm passing the fishing line into one part of the beaded bag, and I used a bead in between. Then I pass that fishing line into another bead on the second part of the bag and used the bead to cross it so that it can close. The goal is for it to be 4-4, so I'm going to do it for all the edges. And don't forget to save some beads for the handle of the bag too. I want to fix the hand of the bag, so I have my fishing line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this fishing line through a hole in one of the beads and pass it out. Secure it properly at the other end after you are done filling the beads. And here is the final product, guys. This is a beauty. I can't wait to rock my bag. Hands. So I'm doing the second hand. I just did it. I used another type of bead. It's silver type of I think they call it sand beads. So for the second hand, from jewelry to handbag, from neck piece to handbag, from necklace to handbag.